This is a Neo phone, which I showed you guys a few weeks ago. In that video, many of you did not appreciate the idea of car makers making smartphones. But whether you understand or not, I think it's gonna be a trend. Because you see, other than Neo, Huawei, and Xiaomi in the future, Polestar has also brought us one. You are joining me at the Polestar night at Auto Guangzhou 2023, where they released the Polestar Phone in the Chinese market again and told us what kind of service they will provide for their customers. But what I really want to show you guys is this. Polestar OS. It's gonna be used by every new model starting with the Polestar Phone. Since Polestar entered a joint venture with Meizu acquired by Geely, so the system was actually built by a phone company. Compared to all the other car phone integration systems in China, some of its features, like using smartphone OS as foundation, one account for all the apps, and mirroring the phone on the screen, are not that special. But it's already miles ahead of other mainstream luxury brands. Even the more software-focused BMW cannot compete against this system with its iDrive. And if you're interested in this system, check out our Lincoln Co. 08 video. That car's OS is also using the Meizu Flying Auto as groundwork. As for the phone itself, well, they just showed us a small clip of it, but I can give you guys a sneak peek. This is not the Polestar phone, it's actually a Lincoln Co. phone based on the Meizu 20 Pro, which is the very same phone the Polestar phone will be based on, so they will be very similar. Only the Polestar phone will have exclusive colors, more refined finishes, and obviously Polestar OS. Think of it this way, Huawei has its Porsche design, and now Meizu has its Polestar design. And if I'm saying it right, I think Polestar is gonna be the first global high-end car maker that is empowered by Chinese technology. If we ignore the fact that Polestar is basically owned by Chinese.